Hello everyone, and welcome to another Xperience Ag Do-It-Yourself video. In this video, we are going to go over how to retire old grain calibrations as well as performing a vibration calibration in your combine.
From your home screen, press the wrench next to your configuration name. Down on the lower left side, you will see a button that says grain calibration. Press that. Across the top, you will now see a crop with a time and date stamp next to it. Go ahead and press the wrench. Once you have pressed the wrench, you will now see a button in the lower left that says New Calibration. This retires the old calibration and prepares you for the current season. Once you're complete, go back into the screen by pressing the wrench next to the time and date stamp. You will now press the button on the right-hand side of the screen and follow on-screen instructions. This includes turning on your separator and throttling the machine to full RPM. When you throttle to full RPM, you should see about 400 elevator RPMs depending on the machine. Press the start button. This will count down for 60 seconds. During this 60 seconds, it is taking the vibration of the machine completely empty. Once complete, you should see a value that populates somewhere between a 0.06 and a 0.07. As you see, 0.09, there is wear on the machine. Inspect closely for worn bearings or loose iron. Repeat this process with the feeder house engaged. Once again, review the value. If it raises substantially, this indicates an issue with the feeder house. If there is no issue, consider yourself ready for the field. Please proceed to the field, attach the head, and repeat the vibration cal with the head attached.
Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more do-it-yourself training videos.